Hello, my name is Marsha Johnson and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Together with my grandnephew, Ryan, we are Marsha's Crafts. Today I'm just going to show you a quick project. It's a little box to hold a gift card. And if you find yourself giving a gift card and you don't have a box, I'm going to show you how to make one. It's very easy. And I would make it out of designer series paper, but I'm going to show you on cardstock today just because it's easier to see. So let's get started. What you will need is a piece of whatever you're going to use for your box, 5 inches by 5.5 inches. You'll need probably your trimmer. Your trimmer, you can cut it with that, and then we can score a couple of our lines with that. You'll need a ruler, some scissors, some tear tape, and the little score tool from your take a pick tool or whatever it is, and probably a small circle punch. Okay, let's get going. First thing we're going to do is we are going to score along the shorter side. Well, actually, I'll show you. We're going to put the 5.5 inch side against the trimmer, and we are going to score at 1/2 inch. So I put it in, it's at 1/2 inch here, and this is the long side. I'm going to score at 1/2 inch. Be careful when you're doing designer series paper. It can tear. If it does, you can just put a piece of tape on the inside and nobody will know, but try not to tear it. Then we're going to score again at 2.5 from this edge. So if you're doing it all from one edge, you would score at 1/2 inch, and then you would score again at 3 inches. But I did like to do it the way I just did. Okay, so let's go ahead and burnish our score lines. Then we're going to take our oval die. I believe this is the largest of the oval dies. And I'm going to mark on my cardstock here, right on the lines. I'm going to mark about, let's make it 3/8 of an inch down. Just right there on my line. I'm going to do that over here too. This is easier. So let's make it like 3/8 on both sides. Same thing down here. You can eyeball it too, but I'm just going to go ahead and mark. Then I'm going to take my oval and I am going to place it on those marks, and I'm going to make a semicircle here between the two marks. Turn it over, do the same thing on this side. Okay, then what I'm going to do is fold it in half, and I'm going to cut at an angle here up to that mark, and then I'm just going to cut that mark all the way around. The other side, I'm going to do the same thing. You could do this in pencil so you could erase it later, but I don't think anybody's going to see inside your box anyhow. And then just kind of at an angle there. Then I'm going to take that oval again, and I'm going to place it from dot to dot again, going the other way. And then I'm going to take my little score tool, and I'm just going to mark that. I'm going to score along there. I'm going to do that on all 4 sides. Just score right up against that. Okay, and then just kind of burnish them just a little bit. They're very easy to do, so just follow your line around. There we go. Then I'm going to have this be the front of my box and this be the back. So on the back side, just take your little circle punch. I just have a half circle here. You could use a circle too, but whatever. And just punch a little notch. There we go. Okay, now we're going to take some tear tape and put it right along the edge here, all the way, well, actually along the fold. And I want it closer to the end of that fold. I'm having trouble seeing it, but I think that's good enough. We're going to cut that off and then burnish that down. And with your pokey tool, I usually use my pokey tool to actually burnish it down too. And then pick up the end, which sometimes is easier said than done. There we go. Okay, we're going to take this, fold it here, and then fold that right over your other, and pop this out. Oh, I think I left my credit card in, or my card in here. There we go. You can fold one end in. The notched ones go first. Drop your card in. Fold in the other end. And there's your little pillow box for your gift card. Put a ribbon on it and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it for today. Short and sweet. Hope you found this handy advice. I know that sometimes I just need a little gift box from time to time, and this way you can make your own. You can make it any size. You just need to kind of, you know, adapt it to whatever you're going to put in there. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.